Amazon Basics reusable silicone baking cups are a great alternative to disposable cups, ideal for baking, snack cups, lunch, and much more. Each measures 1.38 inches high and fits inside any standard muffin pan. And they're freezer, microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe when it's time to clean up. You won't need grease or cooking spray with these baking cups as your food will effortlessly release. They come in a pack of 24 and in fun colors kids will love: pink, blue, green, yellow, orange, and purple. Amazon Basics reusable silicone baking cups are sure to make your next baking experience fun, easy, and economical.
Hi, I'm Beck Doyle with Fine Dine. This is the Yorkshire glass beverage dispenser. It holds a gallon of your favorite cold beverages. Our dispenser makes a great centerpiece for celebrations and cookouts. It allows everyone to help themselves to fresh juice, water, iced tea, sangria, or other refreshments. It includes an ice cylinder which allows you to cool your beverage without diluting it. It is great for keeping your favorite beverage cold, fresh, and ready to serve in your fridge. This glass dispenser comes with a metal screw-on lid. The wide mouth makes it easy to add fruit and super easy to clean. The high-quality stainless steel spigot is easy to use and never drips or leaks. And just toss the container in the dishwasher when you're ready to clean it. Our Fine Dine glass beverage dispenser will make a valuable addition to your home or a great gift for a friend. If you're looking for a beverage dispenser, you just found it.
Rushed mornings don't leave a lot of time for preparing breakfast. That's where the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker comes in. Now you can make a sandwich with fresh ingredients from home in under 5 minutes. Just choose your favorite bread, then layer on your favorite toppings: cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plate out and you'll have a perfectly assembled breakfast sandwich. Cleanup is easy. All removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and cooking surfaces are non-stick. A nutritious breakfast is possible with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Now that's good thinking.
Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach 2-pound bread maker. From whole grain to French to gluten-free, this bread maker makes it easy for you to create delicious homemade bread without preservatives or trans fats. Operating it is simple. Just add the ingredients, select your baking cycle, and press start. There are 12 cycles, including dough to make rolls or pizza, cake, jam, and a variety of breads. You can choose from 3 crust settings: light, medium, or dark, and the large digital display makes it easy to view and select the cycle, crust, and load size. You can choose between 2 loaf sizes, 1.5 pounds or 2 pounds. There's also a delay timer. Just add the ingredients and begin the baking process later. This way you have hot, fresh bread waiting for you when you wake up in the morning. Perfect for entertaining, too. The non-stick bread pan and 2 kneading paddles are dishwasher safe, and the bread maker comes with recipes to make homemade bread easier than you ever thought possible. The Hamilton Beach 2-pound bread maker. Now that's good thinking.
The Micro Pop Popcorn Popper is the easiest way to make healthy popcorn. Use the silicone lid to measure the kernels. You can add butter, just place it on the lid and it will melt through the perforated holes as the popcorn pops. Then place the popcorn popper in the microwave and enjoy a healthy snack. The Micro Pop Popcorn Popper from Ecolution.
See this? it's going the way of rotary dial phones and VHS tapes. That's because I would like to present to you the Snap-in Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware. And it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap-in Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense. I'm Holly with another Kitchen Gizmo product highlight. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.
The K Classic Brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer blends a proven design with practical features. Select from 3 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. The K Classic Brewer has a 48-ounce removable reservoir for even more brewing between refills. You can program the brewer to turn off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. The drip tray holds a full 8-ounce accidental brew for easy cleanup. On the go, simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. Using the K Classic Brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod and select your brew size to enjoy a perfect brew every time.
If you're looking for a way to save money, simplify your cooking, and help your food stay fresh for longer, the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer is the perfect automatic sealing system for your kitchen. This is an ideal way to save money and time with easy, organized food storage and a faster way to prep your food. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer preserves food up to 5 times longer than zippered bags or containers. It's easy to operate with its simple plug-in design, soft touch control panel, and LED indicator lights. It features 2 sealing modes for the best possible preservation based on the type of food you want to seal. Dry for solid food items, and moist for marinated, simmered, or steamed foods. Included with the vacuum sealer, you'll find the air hose, a cork wine stopper, along with 5 medium vacuum bags and 1 extra long vacuum bag roll. Both bag styles are waterproof and reusable, so you're ready to seal, store, and save as soon as you have the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer in your kitchen. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer is the perfect automatic air sealing system for your kitchen. To get started, you can use either one of the 5 medium-sized pre-cut bags or customize one from the vacuum bag roll included. To customize, simply seal the first edge by placing the edge of the bag in between the vacuum chamber. Be sure it isn't too far up or down and reduce any excess liquid in the bag. Lock the lid into place and touch the seal button to begin sealing. Once the LED light turns off, your bag is sealed. Cut the length of the bag you need. Be sure to leave space on the end for sealing. Once you've filled your bag, choose from 2 sealing modes for the best possible preservation: dry for solid items and moist for wet items. Choose the gentle option for delicate foods that require less compression. The NutriChef also comes with an air hose and wine stopper so you can seal your leftover wine. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, the best way to keep your foods fresh and your kitchen clean.
Getting and staying fit has never been easier. NaviFit has made it convenient to take control of your nutrition with the use of their all-new kitchen scale. Now you will be able to easily meal prep and cook your favorite recipes while knowing the exact amount of food that you are enjoying. We have used a higher capacity sensor to weight items up to 6 kilograms by 1 gram divisions and upgraded the large backlit LCD display to allow for easy reading, The best part is that the tear button will allow you to get the net weight of the items, and the unit conversion button can be used to quickly change the unit of measurement being displayed. We strive to provide customers with the ultimate in NeviFit experience. No more excuses. Taking control of your nutrition is literally this simple.
Hi, I'm Luis from Mr. and Mrs. White. I want to present to you a super helpful tool for your kitchen that was created by our research and development team. When it comes to peeling anything in your kitchen, throw away all the other tools you have because nothing can compare to the new Mr. and Mrs. White peeler set. Our goal was to create a peeler set that would be perfect for all your kitchen peeling needs and make your cooking a lot easier. And we did it. The Mr. and Mrs. White peeler set comes with just one handle, and that handle fits all three blades. We have the julienne blade, perfect for peeling carrots. The potato blade, not just for removing potato skins, but also for removing the skin of all vegetables. The potato blade also has a really neat potato eye remover, so you don't have to use a knife. The blades will last long and stay sharp. And lastly, the large blade, perfect for paper-thin slices of zucchini or easily shredding cabbage. Cleaning the Mr. and Mrs. White peeler set is easy. Both handle and blades are dishwasher safe. There are several colors to choose from. Just pick the one you like. This peeler set is the only peeler your kitchen needs and will remain in your family for many years to come. Mr. and Mrs. White love bringing your kitchen a new look.